Hey guys, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up the emoticon on Mobile Legends. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do, you need to log in into your Mobile Legends account, and if you already logged in, you can click the preparation menu over here, and in the preparation menu you can click effects, and then you can click emote. Okay, so how to set up is you can click the emoticon like this, and then you can change it to the emoticon that already set on the bottom like this. Okay, but if you want to change anymore, you can click the emoticon and then click to the emoticon here like this. So here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like the video, you can click like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have a questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.